If you want to know who took a screenshot of your BeReal post on BeReal, you are in the right place, because today in this video I will show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go ahead and open the BeReal app, and right under your post you find this number. It is the number of the screenshotters. If you're sure that somebody took a screenshot and you cannot find that number, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Once it is updated, you can go ahead and again open the app. So you find the number of the screenshotters right there. All you need to do now is to tap on that number to take you to another screen right here, this one. Now you'll find the username of the people who took a screenshot blurred or hidden. Now to reveal them, you need to share the BeReal post to your social media, maybe your Instagram, your Snapchat, or you can tap on the white button next to Snapchat right here to share it to maybe WhatsApp or your Gmail. Once you share it, the username of the people who took a screenshot will be revealed, and you can check them out just like that. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.